Hello my dear friend. Welcome back my channel. I am really happy you are here with me today. Learn English with me. There is no pressure. There is no fear. Just listen, just feel, just relax. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And let us begin now. Sometimes in life, we move very fast. We wake up quickly. We rush through our day. And at night, we feel tired but not peaceful. This story is for you. For this quiet moment. For slow listening. For come English learning. Let us go slowly. There was a small town near the sea. Not a famous town. Not a busy place. Just a calm town. With narrow roads, soft wind and simple people. Every morning, the sun rose gently there. Not loudly, not in a hurry. In that town lived a man named Ram. Ram was not rich. He was not famous. But he had one special habit. Every morning, before speaking to anyone, he sat quietly near the window and listened. He listened to the birds. He listened to the wind. He listened to his own breathing. Pause here for a second. Take one slow breath in and breathe out. Good, good. Ram worked at a small bookshop. The shop was old, but warm. The smell of books made people feel safe. Many people came to buy books. Some were happy. Some were tired. Some were confused about life. Ram always smiled. Not a big smile. A calm, kind smile. When people spoke fast, Ram listened slowly. When people were angry, Ram stayed gentle. And when people felt lost, Ram said something simple. He said, "Take your time. Life is not running away." Let us repeat that sentence slowly. Life is not running away. Again, life is not running away. One evening, a young woman came into the shop. Her eyes looked tired. Her mind looked heavy. She picked a book, then another, then another. Finally, she said, "I don't know what I am looking for." Ram nodded. Take a deep breath. He did not rush. He did not explain too much. He said softly, "Maybe you are not looking for a book. Maybe you are looking for peace." The woman became quiet. After a moment, she smiled. That smile was small, but real. Outside, the sky was changing colors. Orange, pink, soft blue. Ram closed the shop and walked home slowly. He did not check his phone. He did not hurry. He walked as if this moment was enough. If you are listening now, ask yourself gently, are you always in a hurry? Or can you slow down just a little? Pause here. Breathe slowly. At home, Daniel made a cup of tea. He sat near the window again. No noise, no pressure. Just the sound of the sea far away. He thought about one simple truth. Happiness is not loud. Happiness is calm. Let us say it together. Happiness is calm. Again, slowly. Happiness is a calm. Days passed, weeks passed. People came to the bookshop. Again and again, some people said, "This place feels different." Ram never explained why. Because some things do not need explanation. They need presence, they need patience, they need slowness, and maybe that is what this story is giving you now. A slow moment, a soft space, a gentle way to learn English without stress. Before we end, remember this: you do not need to be perfect. You do not need to be fast. You only need to continue slowly. Take one last deep breath and carry this calm with you. Thank you for listening. Carry this quiet peace gently in your heart. Let English come to you slowly, like a soft song. You are learning more than you realize every day. Thank you for being here. We will meet again soon.
Thanks for watching Slow English Listening Practice. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.